What does it actually mean to be someone who creates healing for someone else? Because I think we make it more complicated than it needs to be. We think we have to say the right things, the perfect words to have. We think we need to have all of the answers, but that's not what needs to happen. Because I've learned that the best people I've ever talked to are the people that are going to be the most honest with me. And that's what I try to do when I'm talking to people. Some people don't even come to me because they know that I'm going to tell them the truth. And damn. But those are the people that you want around you. But you also want to be the person who people feel safe with, to be honest.